Is it time to buy or sell Ares Acquisition 2 stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Ares Acquisition 2. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 23rd of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of September, 2025, our system has ranked Ares Acquisition 2 as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -5.24. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the days ahead. The stock has broken the narrow and horizontal trend down. Breaks like this are often followed by swift and strong movements, and any correction down to the break line at approximately $11.07 is considered to be a second chance to get out before further decline. However, it is important to note that false breaks may occur, allowing the price to move back into the horizontal trend. A break on increasing volume is regarded as more significant and reliable than breaks on low volume. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 1.51% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 22.83% and 26.41%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 5.63%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 5.63% to 39.60% over the next year. In current terms, this would put the future price somewhere between $9.38 and $12.40. Our latest daily update for Ares Acquisition 2 highlights significant movements in Ares Acquisition Corporation 2 stock price on Tuesday, with fluctuations reaching 30.79% between high and low. The Ares Acquisition Corporation 2 stock price decreased by 22.11% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 23rd of September 2025, falling from $11.40 to $8.88. During this trading session, the stock experienced a range of 30.79%, with a low of $8.64 and a high of $11.30. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 5 of those days and is down by 22.17% overall. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 690,000 shares, despite the falling prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 982,000 shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $8.72 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $11.62, while the lowest was $8.64. Currently, the price is 23.58%, or $2.74, below the 52-week high of $11.62, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. Ares Acquisition Corporation 2 has made significant progress toward finalizing its merger with Kodiak Robotics. After accounting for redemptions, the Special Purpose Acquisition Company and Kodiak have secured over $275 million to facilitate the proposed business combination. Shareholders are reminded to cast their votes prior to the deadline on September 23rd. On the operational front, Kodiak is gaining momentum. Roush has delivered its first driverless truck equipped with the Kodiak driver to a customer, continues to act as the manufacturing partner for scaling upfits, and has enhanced its management team and board with a new chief financial officer and senior executives specializing in autonomous vehicles. In the short term, the influx of new capital and production milestones mitigates execution risks and is likely to improve sentiment around AACT shares, narrowing the downside from uncertainties tied to redemptions and increasing the likelihood of a successful close. Anticipate some volatility surrounding the shareholder vote, as well as any potential delisting or changes to the ticker upon closing. In the long term, effective scaling with Roush and proficient leadership can support revenue growth and a reevaluation of the combined company. However, challenges such as industry execution risks, regulatory obstacles, and standard de-SPAC dilution remain significant headwinds that may limit potential gains. Analysts have assigned Air's Acquisition 2 stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. For return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Ares Acquisition 2. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Ares Acquisition Corporation 2 stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there may be resistance at levels of $10.99 and $11.32. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 22.11%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence known as MACD. Yesterday, trading volume increased alongside falling prices, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 2 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Ares Acquisition 2. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and given its good liquidity, the associated risk is considered to be low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.66 between its high and low, representing a movement of 30.79%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 10.23%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Ares Acquisition 2, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, let's examine the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered quite standard, typically observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 10th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ares Acquisition 2. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ares Acquisition 2 is at $11.08. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Ares Acquisition 2 from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest trade took place on the 22nd of April, 2025, when Ares Acquisition Holdings 2 Limited Partnership executed an insider buy of 12,500,000 shares of Class A ordinary shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss set in place. Is Ares Acquisition 2 stock a good buy? Ares Acquisition Corporation 2 holds several negative indicators and is currently within a narrow and declining trend. Therefore, we believe it will likely continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock since the last assessment, moving from a hold to a strong sell recommendation. After analyzing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 24th of September, we anticipate Ares Acquisition 2 will open higher by approximately 72 cents and begin trading at $9.61. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions about buying or selling securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.